Hit the whoa.
Eso? It's gonna be like winter. It's like beach day. For real though. Stop. Why? Oh my god. Wow. That's kind of. Shell boys? Shell boys hurt. We're under the pier. Thanks, Ma. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I can't see what you're doing. Please stop. Smile. It's like not even focusing. There we go. Scarlett, I'm like trying to be aesthetic and record this freaking flower, and you're like, there's two boys coming and just got on my foot.
who?
Turn around.
They're walking with actual girls, and you're like,
to the water. Oh my god.
steal it. I'm sorry.
They're not
Live forever. What? Bro, I'm so mad that we can't go on the freaking pier. Like, that's flat. I like your hair.
Did she say that?
She said thank you.
Oh, I thought she just ignored you.
Hit that whoa! What? You are a little boy. I wanna hit that whoa. Huh? We just ate a snack. More snack. Okay. Oh, there's this girl. Okay, so there was a jellyfish, right? And it was dead, and it was on the shore, and this one girl comes up to us. And this girl comes up to us, she was like, oh my gosh, be careful, because it was about to like come near us. So we were like, oh heck, thanks, B. And then she's like, oh, hold on, watch it. I want to take a picture. And I was like, okay. So then we're watching it, and this freaking girl comes up to us, and she's like,
Who are you talking to?
hold on, I'll tell you later. No. Go away.
Allie?
No, just go. So, and this girl comes up to us, and she's like, what's that? And we were like, a jellyfish. And she was like poking it and like pushing it and pushing sand on it. And we were like, bro, stop, like it's dead. And she was like, do I look like I care? And then, she was like touching it. And we were like, bro, like stop, like this girl wants to take a picture of it and it's like dead. And she was like, do I look like I care? And I was like, and then she like picked it up and like threw it into the ocean. And I was like, what do you mean? So then the girl who was like friends with the girl who was trying to take a picture of it, she like looked at us in mouth and she was like, what the fuck? And then like she keeps like looking at us and like rolling her eyes, and I was like, how old are you? And she's like 11, and I'm like, so anyways, hold on, because she's right there.
Okay, so stop.
Where the frig is the sun?
I'm a rat.
I can't even see. No, bitch, do you know who did look like a rat though?
That one big absolute thing to hold. Beat me up. My phone is not dead yet.
We're about to head out. Hit that whoa.
What the heck? What are you doing?
Hit it! Oh my god! We're gonna go wash off and then we're gonna walk to go get our clothes. Scarlett, you looking like a whole sun-kissed babe. I'm a sleepy boy. Like, do you want to go to the shower or like the playground? Shower or that?
Please, there's a lot of kids.
There's a lot of kids over there too. We didn't go to the friggin' playground. Pizzeria.
Take time for them to watch each other's phones. Or not.
Well, there's people.
No, Ralph, there's a thing right here. I meant you wouldn't put your phone down.
Oh! Scarlett. Yes. Oh my god, my phone is like breaking. So it's the next day, right after that. That was literally yesterday. And we're not friends anymore. I mean, I don't know. I'm not gonna get into the tea, like, but anyways, I don't know. I thought I would upload it anyways, just cause like we were friends yesterday, I guess, and like I already freaking edited it all. Like I was like just done, and then she was like, and she sent me a text. So sucks to suck, I guess.